SHIN YI Valve Joint Stock Company was established in 2005 as a Vietnam-Taiwan joint venture investment. The company's factory and office are located on street number 5 in Song Mai Industrial Park, Bac Son Commune, Trang Bom District, Dong Nai Province, Vietnam, with tens of millions of USD invested, featuring a modern, state-of-the-art production line and quality management according to ISO 9001:2015 standards. To date, after more than 20 years of establishment and development, with numerous upgrades to its production lines and technology efficiently operating investment capital and effective personnel management, SHIN YI Valve Joint Stock Company has become the first enterprise in Vietnam to own a complete manufacturing plant for industrial water valves, valves for fire protection systems and fire hydrants, and all accessories for water supply, wastewater treatment, and HVAC industries. SHIN YI sails even farther day by day, affirming its brand nationally and extending internationally. Over 20 years of building and development, SHIN YI's achievements today are thanks to our elite team of employees who always accompany our board of directors. Our company always stands alongside customers and partners to develop together. SHIN YI operates on the principle of credibility and this has been the foremost criterion we have striven to preserve over the past 20 years and throughout our future journey. Industrial and infrastructure development are strategic cards for national construction and development. As a manufacturing enterprise, understand the importance of self-sourcing our material supplies. In Vietnam, we have domestic steel, cement, roofing, and plastic plants, but in valves, we still rely on foreign suppliers. That's why SHIN YI Valve Joint Stock Company was founded to proactively produce and supply materials for construction to meet project progress. SHIN YI places credibility at the heart of its operations and will be a driving force for the country's development with production capacity that is proactive, creative, and cost-efficient. With an experienced workforce formally trained and backed by practical experience from large-scale projects, SHIN YI Valve is confident in its ability to fully meet customer requirements prepared to face difficulties and challenges in the era of integration. With knowledge and vast experience, our design team researches and updates cutting-edge technologies and receives additional specialized training in developed countries to apply them to our products. The Quality Control Department rigorously inspects and proactively develops or modifies molds with high precision, suitable for customers' pipelines and systems. By mastering the earliest and most fundamental stages of valve production, along with continuous improvement, SHIN YI operates under criteria of proactivity, innovation, creativity, and manufacturing to align with societal development, to self-source billets and components and avoid delays from dependency on external foundries. SHIN YI has invested in foundry systems producing over 600 tons per month, with the ability to cast products weighing up to 3 to 4 tons. Each casting begins with carefully selected raw materials. High-quality raw cast iron and alloys are classified, refined, and strictly tested according to international standards. Our modern melting furnace technology allows absolute precision in temperature control, ensuring each batch of iron is cast precisely and with the highest quality, utilizing leading automatic and semi-automatic mold casting technology. Our products are manufactured with optimal precision and durability. The molten iron pouring process into molds is conducted under strictly controlled conditions, ensuring elimination of the slightest defects. Afterward, the raw product is cooled-cleaned before undergoing rigorous quality control procedures. Our cast iron products are not only diverse in type, but also meet the most stringent requirements across industries, from heavy industry and construction to machinery manufacturing. Sustainable quality and precision in even the smallest details make our products the top choice for businesses in many fields. Currently, we are trusted partners of leading corporations: Toshiba, Tsurumi Pump, Sumitomo Heavy, Susi Hyundai, proactively handling the casting stage to ensure delivery schedules and cost savings through in-house metallurgy. SHIN YI always ensures contract fulfillment with customers under principles of proactivity, innovation, and cost efficiency. Machining and assembly are done with synchronized modern automated machinery, together with our team of staff and technicians who are experienced and innovative in production, increasing output, and ensuring quality. After machining, products are painted with an epoxy coating 250 to 300 micrometers thick at a temperature of 300 degrees Celsius. The epoxy paint is applied per JIS K 555-1-2002, TCVN 9014-2011 standards, corrosion resistant, safe for water sources, and UV resistant, so it doesn't fade over time. All products and accessories after machining and assembly are subjected to dimensional and pressure testing using dedicated machinery at the factory, ensuring quality before being delivered to construction sites. Certifications obtained include ISO 9001-2015, BSI, FM, UL, WRAS, SAWACO. Below are our major projects in recent times. We understand that quality is a non-negotiable factor. Each product undergoes rigorous inspection steps with precision measurement equipment, from dimension and mechanical strength tests to heat and pressure resistance. All are conducted by experienced engineers to ensure each product meets or exceeds international standards.